We're here in Singapore. Asa? Ang tahimik dito. Hindi ako mag-English para di nila ako maintindihan. Nice. Outfit of the day. Top from Shein. Pants. TikTok shop. Jordan na panda. And then Puma. And then his jacket. As hairband ni ate. And yeah. That's all. We're going to pick up our luggage. Na pa-free check-in yung akin. Kasi wala daw space sa overhead cabin. So, let's get it. Sana nandun pa siya. Pagod ako. Napagod. Ayun, tahimik talaga dito. Like, it's so... Yeah. Ang tahimik. Ang tahimik talaga. Oh my god. We're in Changi Airport. It's so pretty. Thank you. Kakarating lang namin sa hotel and we ate dinner na rin. So, yeah. Ako lang mag-isa right now kasi pumunta sila sa isang hotel pa, which is yung hotel na pinag-stayan ni ate and then ni nanay. So, yeah. Alam ko Soya. Ito na naman tayo sa Soya. So, I'm gonna take this opportunity to tour this hotel. I mean, this room kasi ito lang yung time na ako lang mag-isa. So, we're currently staying in Holiday Inn sa Little India. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll just do the tour. I'll do you guys. It's so pretty. When you walk into the door, you'll first see on the side is the bathroom mirror dapat. So, when you walk in, ano siya? Sliding siya. Bongga! Di mo kaya. Tapos, ayan yung toilet. May bidet sila. Ay, ang galing ng bidet. Di ganun. Yung ginaganon. Ini-switch. Ay, ini-switch. Mali. Tapos, ayan, may toilet paper. Ayan, mga garbage. Mga towels. Mga freebies and stuff. And then, the big ass mirror. Like, ang ganda niya. Maganda siya pang mirror selfie and such. It's so pretty. Meron siyang filtered water. And then, ito naman is tap water. So, yeah. It's good. And then, next is this shower. Dalawa yung option niya. Meron siyang ceiling. Tapos yung head. Tama ba ako? Basta, yung naka-attach sa ceiling. Tapos may isang nasa detachable. Ganon. Tapos meron silang free na na body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Buti na lang kasi wala akong dinala kasi alam kong merong ganyan. Anyways, let's move on. So, pagdating mo ganun yan, dito naman din sa left is the cabinet. There. May iron, merong rope, and then hangers if you wanna hang stuff. And then may silk din sila for like stuff that you don't want to wrinkle or clothes that you don't want to wrinkle, and then extra pillows if ever. And din ko na nilagay yung sapatos ko because they don't have like a shoe rack. Tapos sa right side is a full length mirror, as in full length kasi hanggang ceiling siya. So pretty. By the way, this hotel room is actually a loft type. Kaya siya may hagdanan. Pero I'll show you later. Anyways, when you walk in, ang kalat, sorry, kakadating lang namin, as I said. This is my bag, and then my suitcase, table with foods, with like leftover din. Basta yun. And then, this is a sofa bed. Dito ako matutulog. Diba? Ang laki! Ang laki niya! Like, ang ganda! Diba? And then, I have the TV right here from Samsung. Thank you, Samsung. Huy! Hindi! Tagalin ko lang yung slippers ko para makita niya. And then, next, beside the TV is another full-length mirror. Tapos, meron ulit siyang mirror. Diba? It's so pretty. Like, lahat na lang may mirror. Ano to? Mirror, mirror on the wall. Joke lang! Si Akla. Tapos, ayan. Ang ganda ng view kasi isang malaki siya from the ceiling. And, ayan yung view. There. It's a lot of buildings and such. I love it. Siguro, papakita ko sa inyo yung morning view niyan tomorrow. Anyways, so ayan. Etong luggage ni Kuya, and then yung luggage ng friend niya. And then here, katabi ng bed is yung ano to? Ref na walang laman. So, huwag na natin buksan. And then, mga freebie ulit. Mga, oh shit. Sorry. Kinabahan. Mga coffee, tea. What do you like? Hi! Mali, I like you. Hi! Oh my God. Tapos may mirror na naman. Ayan. Kung gusto mo maganda-gandahan habang gumagawa ng kape, ganun. Like, they also have kettle. And then, coffee maker. And then, yung telephone to call the lobby. And my Coke. Anyways, let's go up. Ang galing niya kasi meron siyang ganito. So, when you close the lights, you can still see the stairs. So, hindi ka matatrip. And, yeah. So, yun. And then, sorry for the crumbs kasi dyan ako kumain. But, let's go upstairs. So pretty. The interior is so pretty. And very spacious. Pero, hindi naman ako claustrophobic, so okay lang. And then, here is the bed upstairs. Sobrang laki niya, as you can see, like, kahit nakatayo ako, may space pa siya. Like, this is what I want in my room. Like, this is my dream room. Hi! Dami sinabi. Tapos yan, there's a bedside table with a military clock. Tapos, ayun yung bed. Parang parehas lang siya nung ganun. Pinagkaiba lang nila is sofa bed to. And then, yeah, ayun siya. They have the lights, the plug, ganyan-ganyan. And then, another TV. And then, lights, ay, parang compartment or something. Basta yun. Yes! Yun lang. That's all. Hiningal na ako. Legit. Hiningal na si ante. Ang dami kasing sinasabi. Like, ano yan? Anywho, I'm gonna wash up kasi maaga kami bukas. Like, 6 a.m. for breakfast, and then we'll get ready, and then by 9 I think we'll go out na. So yeah, I have a long day ahead for tomorrow. So yeah, I have to wash up kasi pagod na ako. Anyway, guys, do you like my hair? Kasi look, it's so pretty. It's more red than the last time because I colored my hair for Christmas pala. I colored it and it lasted like 2 weeks and then it faded. So, ang pangit na niya. And I learned my lesson on what to do with red hair. So, yeah. Mas red na siya ngayon. I don't know if you can see it. Tapat tayo sa ilaw. Ayan, no. Ay, ang patay. Joke lang. Pero, just appreciate the color. Huwag niyo nang i-appreciate yung condition ng hair ko. Ayan siya. It's so pretty. So red. I love it. Anyways, ano ko sinasabi? Ang talkative. Partida, pagod pa ako I'll organize my things and then I'll clean up para makapagpahinga na. Oh my god. I just found out the craziest thing right now. Hindi pala siya nagre-record. All this time naka-ano siya, naka-photo siya lahat. I have 800 photos. Tapos kahapon pa ako nag-video. Like, kanina, nag-get ready ako. Yung GoPro ko naka-picture pala, hindi siya naka-video. So, everything is in photos. Ayan. Sayang. Sayang yung photos, yung files, yung clips. Dami ko sinasabi kanina, tapos wala din naman pala. We're currently sa tapat namin. Kalimutan ko anong pangalan. Pero yeah, dito kami para kumain sila sa ayan. Ganda ng McDo dito. Parang so pretty. I can't relate. The joke. So pretty. Outfit for today. Hindi daw sila kakain. Other resto na lang daw. I don't know if you can hear me though. Alabang Town pala to.
Nasa may stoplight to. Ayun, baka dun sa may stoplight dun banda.
Alabang Town. Is this you? Saan?
Nakatawid na tayo.
Where? We're lost. Oh, there's fountain. Sheesh. Conjunction. Ano yan? Parts of speech. Kasi pa ulit-ulit niya sinasabi ni Ma'am eh. Saan? Where are they? Oh, they have like lineage. And ayan na! Ayan na sila! Ay! Ito mo na yung isa. Ito mo yung isa. Ito mo yung isa. Gosh! Oh my God! Pangit! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Hey, 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 guys!
Silver niya nangingitim. Nangingitim na tayo. Para si Nigoro talaga na. Para si Nigoro. Dikit na ng dikit.
Amay ka ngayon, Lars, ha? Banda ngayon si Lars, ha?
Pili ka. Kung ano ka pipili mo, turo mo lang.
Ay, kunin mo. Ay, wait lang. Ay, kanya natin yung payang. Tawang-tawa na naman. Si ate. May payang akong dala.
Oh,
Ako na alam ko sa mga pupok. Diba?
baka mo.
Wait lang, syempre magpapayong tayo. I'm
Ikaw,
allergic.
sila.
Pwede ba ako sumama sa
Si Dito J.
Yan, vlog. This is my vlog. Wait lang. Paano ko papatayin, syempre? We're here at Bugis. Diba? Init. There's a lot of people. Ay, bawal yung nag-atching dito. Offload ka na.
Pinukuntay.
One for $5. We're going to Haji Lane. We're gonna walk to there kasi malapit lang siya sa Bugis.
Natry na namin yung frogs and chips sa IMF. Ganito lang yung mga ayaw ko malapit sa
Meron din sa City Mall kanina.
Ganyan yung tayo, libre mo.
We're here in Haji Lane. Just roaming around. Aiden, say hi. Init? Take a pic for the booth. Ay, sila. Ganda. So mainit. Ay, no, picky. Ha? Ayoko nga. Ikaw na lang. Aiden,
Awang kaya din ay.
you hold. It's hot now. You hold this. Siya na gumamit. Galing. We're going to... Where are we going? Orchard. 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 We're going to Orchard right now. Ha?
punta lang sa kabila eh.
Wala naman parang nangyari.
Ganun pa rin.
Opo. Ayoko na. Lumusot lang tayo. Tamo. Doon lang kami galing sa kabila. We just went to an underground tunnel. Napagod ako. Haggard na yung mukha ko. Sobrang oily niya na. What the fuck? Orchard now. We're just finding a place to eat. Ganda nung scene. It's so giving. Ganun. Pero hindi giving yung escalator kasi ang bilis ng escalator, like legit. Kapag hindi mo siya nakuha yung pwesto, baka napasa Diyos ka na. Kiwi! Ganda ng so pretty. Ang ganda nung nila, exterior nila. Pero haggard na ako. Ayoko na. There. It's full of luxury. Kung ikukumpara siya sa Pilipinas, para siyang Greenbelt. Pero mas pinaganda. Ganong vibes. The drinks are here.
Meron pa doon yung order food.
And water. Everything. No, they have straw. Or just wait for the other foods. Tapos, yun na. Wow! Is that chicken?
Hindi. Duck yan, duck.
La!
Ano yan? Pork? Pizza. Dami naman. Ilan lang tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sabi mo kasi damihan eh. Damihan mo, pero yung sa atin. Hindi ko nga bilang eh. Sige, lagyan mo dyan. Sige na.
Food and all.
Hey,
Let's
mo yan yung tray. Lalagyan natin ulit yan.
Tapos na namin kumain. Ano yun? We're here sa Charles and Keith.
Hindi ko rin naman. Walang presyo sa yan. Mas meron pang ganito nito. Ano ba? Wait, ayun din. Ay, wala? Ayun, 99. Magaan lang din. So, pag...
We're going for dessert. Na-change na yung bag ko. Gentlewoman. It's raining. It's raining. Tapos na yung ulan. Oh, it's Amboni. so pretty. Not the water though. Just the architecture ng bridge. Like the structure. Para siyang London Bridge. Oh, not much. It's falling down. It's unbonding. And it's not giving. Asaan? Ah! Ice cream! Hey, ice cream! For $2. I want vanilla or mango?
Magmamangko sa akin.
Okay.
Vanilla sa mango. Mango? Sir, vanilla.
Ay, si choco chip na lang. Choco chip na lang.
Wafer.
Ano okay?
Masarap din yung wafer. Parang ice cream sa ikaw.
One chocolate chip. Wafer. Thank you.
Ha? Dalawang chocolate chip. Then 2 more chocolate chip. Wafer, wait. Lang. Up to 15. 15, $2 na. Ayun, okay. $2 ang isa. Ayun, ayun nga to. Ayun ba namin dito? Kako din yung ano.
The London Bridge. It's raining right now and it's not giving. I don't like this vibe. I hope the sun comes up. Oh, it's another bridge. It's called Anderson Bridge. Huh? We're taking the MRT again because there's no bus. I'm so freaking, it's getting dead. Like, sa mukha ko pa lang, alam niyo na, patay na. We're here in Marina Bay Sands Mall. Yeah. Currently walking. Ang cute ng ano, wait. They have like an indoor pool. Mali, parang ano siya, kinemer. Basta yun. Ayan. We're here at Apple Store. Sheesh. Bili ka na. Can say no challenge. So cool. Outfit of the day. Top from TikTok shop. Pants. Tama. Pants from Ukay. Cortez. And then Gentlewoman. Meron silang parang tips and tricks. Camber look. Matalikod lang ito. This is the view inside the globe of Apple. It's so cool. It's under the water. It's not under the water. It's over the water. Ganon. Ayoko nun sa kanilang pa ako. Ha?
Yung trick nito.
Anong trick?
Hindi na natatandaan?
When you whisper from one end to another, when you can still hear each other. Even though you're
Punta ka doon sa kabila. Dito ako sa kabila.
Saan?
Dito, ito
Diyan? Sa pabilog? Weirdo.
Punta doon sa kabila. Lars, punta doon sa kabila. Yeah. Kasi tao, marinig mo ako.
Dun sa kabila daw.
Sa kabilang end. Oo, kabila.
Dun sa kabilang dulo ng circle. Anong point neto? Ah? Ay, go! Bakit?
Hello.
Ha? Uy, go!
Oo, sige. Sige, chukin packet. Busy tayo.
Nakita niyong indoor na boat kanina. Ito nang gagaling yung tubig. Kunwari, pag umulan, gano'n. Dito siya napupunta. Tapos bumababa siya sa may indoor. Pero yeah, papasok ulit tayo sa Marina Bay Sands. Yes, sir. Kasi we're gonna go to dinner. I don't know where. Though, lamig. Hindi ko magkakasakit ako sa ginagawa. Kahit afraid of heights ako. Tingnan nyo guys. Ganyan yung escalator. Yes, yan yung escalator. Sheesh!
Ito yung ano, takot na takot si
Oo, walang mag-aawa. Hey! We're in Gardens by the Bay. Let's go. Gardens by the Bay. I love here. So pretty.
Ang ba maganda mo po?
We're gonna watch the light show. I think it's by 7:45. And right now it is currently 7:30. So we have like approximately 15 minutes till the light show starts. So yeah. And then after that we're gonna eat dinner and we're gonna head home because tomorrow is another day of tiredness. Nagagalit eh. Gusto na yun umuwi. Gusto na yun umuwi. Ganyan din.
Sabi ni Del, kumakas siya ng ganito. Oo. Ilan niya yun? 26.
Huwag niyo pa.
We're going.
Kakasabi lang ni Tito D. Ayun
We're
yung sinasabi.
going back to the hotel.
Owen House.
Hindi na kayo bababa sa ano? Sa